Howdy.
What's up, guys?
So this is our first vlog. Well, mine. You made the little one going to Shake Shack. But anyways, we're gonna stop in this random yard and take a picture by this really pretty tree, and then we're gonna go to Food Truck Friday. So
Stay tuned.
stay tuned. Okay, we just went in this random person's yard because the tree is so pretty. Hold on, let me zoom in for you guys. Sorry, I'm still getting used to this camera. Look at this tree.
Gorgeous.
It's really blurry.
Show the house. Show how close the house is.
And then this is the person's house.
Shout out to you guys.
Yeah, thanks for your tree. It hopefully took some really pretty pictures, but oh god, I don't know what I'm doing. Remind me to cut out some of this.
Okay.
Okay. Anyways, yeah, so now we're on our way to Food Truck Friday.
Woo!
See you there.
I took a picture. Oh no, it's recording.
Hi.
Oh, that scared me.
Finding parking.
Let's see how long this will take.
Probably 12 hours.
It is exactly 6:25.
Yeah, so we'll
Stay tuned.
I think it's Miley. Guys, it only took us 10 minutes. Woo!
New record. And Sam Pillow parked like a champ.
I really did. I'm proud of myself.
I am so proud of her.
I'll get out and show you guys better. Actually, I'm gonna put my fanny pack on. This is probably the worst angle. Yeah. Guys, hi Ken. Look at this parallel parking. It's actually really good. It's a recording. We've arrived. First thing we're getting. I don't know how to zoom. We're getting the brisket sandwich and the smoked sweet corn coblet.
What's a coblet?
I don't know. I think it's like a little corn on the cob. So we'll let you know how it is. Alrighty, here is what it looks like before we devour it. Super cute. Hey. Alright, so we demolished it, obviously. What would you rate it out of 10?
10.
Yep, same. 10 out of 10.
The corn. The meat was so tender.
Yes. The best.
Alright, on to the next one.
This is the next truck we're trying. We got the buffalo chicken quesadilla. Oh, at least the donut place is just right here. And the line shortened a lot.
Is it?
Yeah, okay. Oh, I was like, why is it black? Our buffalo chicken quesadilla looks delish. We got like one of the last ones. Not really, there was a lot left, but they were almost out of pizza.
We got scared.
Yeah, we did.
God's plan. Are you gonna record us eating?
Oh my gosh, it scared me.
I don't care how fucking cool you are. That's weird.
Very good. This is our next truck. We're getting some donuts.
They're not sold out.
Yeah, for real. This is the cookie crumble donut from Vincent Donut. Kennedy got the same one. I'm so excited to eat this bad boy. These donuts, oh my god.
They're so good.
They are so good. Like, I'm not a big sweets person. I like a little bit sweet after dinner, but I'm like demolishing this donut. It's just,
I'm a sweet person. I think it's amazing.
it is so good. I can't wait to go back
August.
in
Coming
August
for you.
and try more donuts. Okay, we forgot to film our outro, I guess, earlier. This lighting sucks, but
It does.
I need to like move my arm too. Okay. But anyways, Food Truck Friday was definitely a success. We're excited to go back next month.
Reviews?
Yeah, so everything we ate was, we ate at,
It was like a bus.
yeah, it was like a bus and it had barbecue. Forget the name, but we got the brisket sandwich and
So good.
sweet corn coblet. Amazing. 10 out of 10. Recommend. The meat was so tender, like definitely
Melted in your mouth.
yeah, literally. Like definitely check that out next Food Truck Friday.
Yeah.
Next we went to Doughboys, I think it was called. It was like a pizza place. But we got quesadilla and we got the buffalo chicken and
So good.
it was really good too.
10 out of 10.
Yeah. I liked the barbecue better, but
I
this was-
agree.
yeah,
I agree.
this was just, it was good too. And then we went to, oh, what do they call
Vincent
it?
Van Doughnut.
Okay, the camera decided to cut us off. It's about to again though, I'm pretty sure. Bye.
Food truck's good.